Hi my lovely friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to prepare paneer masala. The ingredients we need this is paneer fried. I have just added salt and turmeric and 2 medium size onion I have taken. I have finely chopped it, and these are bay leaf, star anise. I have taken 1 star anise, bay leaf, 3 to 4 black pepper, 1 small cinnamon stick, 2 cloves. This is homemade ginger garlic paste, and tomato cut in small pieces. Dry ingredients we need. This is red chilli powder. It's 2.5 teaspoon. It's just according to your taste. If you like more spicy, then you can add little more. 2.5 teaspoon of red chilli. Turmeric powder. This is 1/4 teaspoon. Homemade garam masala powder, and this is also 1/2 teaspoon. This is coriander powder. The 1.5 teaspoon means total 1.5 teaspoon. And this is coriander leaf finely chopped. And here I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of besan or gram flour. Then we need oil to fry this onion, and salt according to the taste. Now we'll start cooking. Here I have added 1 tablespoon of oil. Let the oil heat properly. Star anise, cardamom, all the whole garam masala. Just crushing it, so just crushed it. So to this I'll add our whole garam masalas. So now we will add the bay leaf. Then I'll add, sorry I just forgot to tell you, I'll just add 2 dried red chilli also. Then finely chopped onion, we want onion to be brown in color. Onions are light golden in color. To this now I'll add ginger garlic paste, and I have to saute till the raw taste goes. Now to this I'll add finely chopped tomatoes. Now to this I'll add all the dry ingredients. So this is gram flour, besan. To this I'll add turmeric and red chilli. So I've added turmeric, red chilli, and then I'll add coriander powder also. I'll mix it all. Dry ingredient, I'll mix it all and add it. Now we'll cook this dry masalas. All this dry powder will cook it so that there should not be any raw taste. Cook this in low flame. Now you can see the oil started oozing out in the corners. Now to this I'll add red fried paneer cubes. Mix it. So nicely coated. Now to this I add little bit of garam masala. After 2 to 3 minutes, I'll mix it once again. And to this I'll add water. Gravy you can adjust according to your way. How much gravy you want, according to that you can adjust the water. In this moment you can taste for salt. Just now I'm adding just half a teaspoon. Mix once again. And let it cook for another 1 to 2 minutes in medium flame. Now I am adding kasuri methi. Half a teaspoon of kasuri methi I am adding. Crushing it between the palm and I am now adding it. Give the good flavor. So our paneer masala is ready. Now to this I'll add finely chopped coriander leaf, very finely chopped, and I'll mix it well. Paneer masala is ready. Please try this. Give your comments and subscribe to my channel. Share my recipes. Thank you.